In my opinion, I think if we plant more trees and plants and all of this stuff, our environment can improve much better. It can improve a lot, and our environment will be much better. And with the ozone layer depleting, I think this is a very important step, and DH is doing a great job with this initiative. And this is really fun. I had a blast.
What contribution can the students make in this clean and green drive of DHA?
They can keep their classrooms clean, keep their colleges and schools clean, and keep the areas in front of their houses clean. I feel like this is a really small step, but it will lead to a big, outcome.
Okay. Girls, can you just stand together and I can ask you questions together? Okay. It's about the global warming. Okay. So, what message do you want to give to the nation on this day about the clean and green drive? Should it expand all over the country or should it just be restricted to DHA Sufa University?
No, it should expand all over it should expand all over the country because trees are very important. That's why we should do these things.
Okay.
Like we also know the ozone layer is getting really damaged. That is a huge problem. People don't really think of it as much, but like बहुत बड़ा problem है. We should really
Take care.
greenery is like really important. People don't realize that.
वैसे I feel like Pakistan is like, has so much potential and everything. So matlab, as a country that is like still developing, we need to like pay attention to our like lower sectors, and one of them is like our environment, our plantation and all of that. So I feel like we should definitely like have more drives for this so that we can like grow as a country and develop more.
So, what role of government do you see in the face of the extreme weather conditions that are occurring in Pakistan? We have seen 2 super floods recently. What message do you want to give to the government regarding it?
I feel like there are so many things that are like, there are so many ups and downs in this country. But the only way to like overcome them is like to pay attention to them, to go and acknowledge that this is a problem. But I feel like Pakistan mein everybody is just like, ignore the problem more like. So I would request the government ki matlab, there are so many areas that also have like flooding or wagera, but main areas are not the only ones to be looked at. So I feel like there should be a lot more efforts in order to grow this country and develop this country because यहाँ बहुत potential है. But I feel like the government, if they put in the effort, will be able to like be a really developing country one day, like a developed country.
Right, on 14th of August, the administrator DHA, BHFE had a vision to plant about 10,000 plants along the Avenue Faisal. So we, all the complete team members of the DHA Sufa University along with other DHA school and colleges, we are busy doing the plantation because we all know that the environment is changing quickly, and with regard to the plantation of the plants, I think that in times to come the same plants will grow into trees and will contribute towards better environment in DHA especially, and in Karachi in general. So it's a great cause and we are contributing towards it.
So, what contribution DST Sufa University is making in clean and green drive of DHA?
Right, basically 2-3 things which we do. First is the beach cleaning we do, and secondly, along with the all the empty places, we are planting the trees, and in this regard we have planted more than 200 plants until now. And the DHA Sufa University of the DCK campus, there we are also planting about 250 plants. So we are doing our bit. I'm sure the rest of the people who are living in DHA and elsewhere in Karachi will do the same.
So, what message will you give to the nation in the climate change that is taking place right now, the global warming that's going on? What is your message to the nation?
Right, the global warming is being faced by everyone in Pakistan. As you see, the kind of heat wave we had last month here. So it's all because of the climate change. Till the time we don't look after this issue, we'll end up without water even in Karachi. So in this regard, I think the best form of protection against the global warming is to plant the trees and make the environment clean. So DHA Sufa University is doing its bit. If everyone contributes to it, inshallah we'll have much better Pakistan.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
In order to combat the global warming, the DHA had launched a campaign, Clean and Green Drive. The students have contributed and the entire community is also contributing. But the need is to expand this drive all across the country so that we can fight the extreme weather conditions which are prevailing in Pakistan for the last few years. We have already witnessed the super floods. It's time to take this seriously and make a joint collective effort. Pakistan!
Zindabad!